Jitna I can remember since our childhood, I and my partner Heather both used to collect watches. We had the same kind of fascination which usually children have towards the toys we had for watches. Then we thought that okay, let's carry forward this hobby and make this into our profession. My name is Abdul Qadir Bhandari and I'm a co-founder of Zaya Watches. We always wanted something new, something that would make heads turn, and that's how we stumbled upon wooden watches. We tried buying a wooden watch online but realized nobody sold them in India. That's when we thought that okay, why don't we create a business out of it? I come from a business family. We learn the basics through them, through the years of experience that they had doing the business in general. But the way to run a business had changed over the period of time. There was no computer which was used. They still used to write in the registers that they have. I wanted to start things from scratch. I wanted to know the complications that you have when you are a first generation entrepreneur. But in order to take it to the next level, I needed knowledge of digital platforms. I wanted a solution which helped me to learn as per my convenience. Primer is a free app with 5 minutes business and marketing lessons that you can take on your phone. It is very crisp and easy to understand. Since I and both my partners do not come from tech background, we did not have enough knowledge to understand what was going at the backside of the business. And then I came across the lesson on the analytics. What happens in analytics is that there are certain metrics that we have which we can measure the efforts which we are putting in. It comes down to the number of visitors that we have, the people who are going onto the cart but they're not completing the purchase. So this one was something which we had outsourced. But when it comes to being a founder of the business, you should be knowing about each and everything which is going in and around your business. This lesson that I learned on analytics on Primer made me independent, and I could go through the things myself now rather than relying on to someone else, and hence knowledge empowers you. So there is a chapter called Know What Customer Want. Before this, we never realized that we needed something of this sort. You get to know that what are the feedbacks that the company is missing out on. You should be hearing them and then making the products rather than making the products and then pushing it onto them. And we saw an increase in sales by 13% after going through various lessons over Primer. Well, change is inevitable. And if something makes my life easier, I'm ready to welcome it. We started when there were no search results for wooden watches in India, and now the goal is to make Zara Watches the first name that the customer sees when they search for wooden watches on Google from anywhere in the world.